Well. Welcome to another entry into Dan's Beard's Diaries. First of all, happy holidays to you. Secondly, I sincerely appreciate everyone that has jumped over to Instagram and said hi. Again, it's a lot more efficient, let's say, communicating back and forth on there as opposed to YouTube. I'm not on YouTube every day, where I am on Instagram quite a bit. Maybe not probably every day. Yes, okay, now secondly, I have a confession to make. I did cheat on you. Normally, I document absolutely everything I do to my beard as I grow it out, and even as I shave it, I didn't. And that was because I had a quick trip to Disneyland, and I needed to do a quick cleanup to be a little more presentable. And I merely just took a razor and just cleaned straight down the side. That's why there's this obnoxious point under my neck. I don't know if you can see this or not, but that's why that's there. Nonetheless, I apologize, and I'll try not to let that happen again. We're gonna hop right into it, and we're gonna do a proper cleanup underneath the beard and on the side. I am letting my beard grow out, so as my beard grows out, I'm slowly dropping the line under the beard. And another thing, I do get a lot of questions in regards to the beard trimmers that I use. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to link these in the description box down below. They're Philips, or it's a Philips, and I don't really know the model number, but off the top of my head, but I do have it in the link below, so it'll be there. Here we go. What I'm doing as I'm letting my beard grow out is I'm slowly bringing my neckline down. So not all the way, because this looks a little obnoxious. I can't really think of another word for it right now, but it just doesn't look right. I'm gonna trim it up just a tad bit, and I'm not gonna leave a sharp angle right here. I'm also going to put a slight curve to make it look a little more natural. And what I do is I start directly in the middle, and then I work my way around. Now I know to some this may seem elementary, but again, I'm documenting absolutely everything I do to my beard in the process of growing it back out. So again, to some of you, it may seem elementary. To others, this may be helpful, hopefully. Going further into the maintenance of my beard, one thing that I do regardless of the length of my beard is I brush my beard. And I do this to train the beard to grow out properly, or more so the way that I want it to grow out. And also, I am a believer in stimulating the hair follicles in order to increase the efficiency of growth. Any brush will suffice, but this brush I did get from the Beard Struggle. I'll also link this in the description box below. The last thing that we're gonna do to the beard today is I'm going to grab a razor and just go straight down the side on each side. Now, even though my beard is growing out, I still want it to look somewhat presentable. So it's the slight bit of maintenance that can have a tremendous effect on the appearance of your beard. So as far as whatever your profession may be, your boss won't be as predisposed to say something about it if it looks like you are maintaining it somewhat. As you can see, I went straight down on the sides, but I do have a curve underneath, a slight curve to make it appear a little more natural. So yeah, not too shabby. That's more so a proper cleanup as opposed to just going straight down the sides like I did for Disneyland. Now that's gonna be it for today in regards to this cleanup. However, I have received a lot of questions in regards to nutrition, and a lot of questions more so into what I eat during the day. So you know what? I'll be following this video with, I guess it's gonna be an example of meal of how I start my day sometimes. And I'm utilizing leftovers from the holidays. And again, that brings up another point. We don't have to, I guess, more or less be paranoid or discouraged when it comes to the holidays and keeping our body fat down. So I'll leave it at that for right now, but following this video, I will be making a video more so catered to your nutrition questions. With all of that said, I do hope you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace and happy holidays.